Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I'm making 15-minute chicken balls, soft and juicy inside. A quick snack that you can also store and enjoy anytime. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup chicken pieces, 2 bread slices. Chicken balls are popular party snacks. Add 1 egg, 3 tablespoon onion, 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, 2 green chilies. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Pour into a blender. Blend everything into a smooth mixture. Blend mixture smoothly for soft texture. Take small portion and shape into balls. Boil water in a pan. Now add the chicken balls. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until firm. Boiling helps keep them soft and juicy. Remove and let them cool. You can store this in the freezer for up to 15 to 20 days, or you can fry instant. Fry in medium heated oil for 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. Fry on medium heat for even frying. Chicken provides high quality protein. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. You can control oil and spices. Balanced ingredients make it filling. Your delicious chicken balls are ready. Serve hot with your favorite sauce. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy recipes.